am Vinay Galleri, alumni of KJ Somaiya Polytechnic. KJ Somaiya Polytechnic is one of the top reputed polytechnic institutes in Mumbai. It is also an autonomous polytechnic college. Adding to it, the civil department in KJ Somaiya Polytechnic has a very good reputation from past 58 years. Today, me and my friends are here to express our views and gratitude towards the college through this video, sharing our experiences and our learning journey. So here we go.
KJ Somaiya Polytechnic has very beautiful and green campus which gives you the best environment for the study. The civil department of KJ Somaiya Polytechnic provide you the best facility so you can get the best learning experience. The department has 7 well-equipped laboratories such as the concrete and soil lab, material testing lab, environmental engineering lab, surveying lab. The labs has the modern testing facilities such as the total station, NDT equipments and other modern equipment such as such labs which provides the great help to clear your concept and giving you the experience for the handling equipments and make you the ready for the industry. Also the civil department has its own dedicated computer lab facility with the fast internet connectivity where students can work on the industrial leading software such as the AutoCAD. This lab also helps the student while working on their projects. Other from this, you got the common facilities such as the library where you can get the reference book for the study, and also there is a drawing halls, volleyball court, and other such facilities.
College with just all facilities cannot be the best because the faculty members also has very important role in educational excellence of college. KJ Somaiya Polytechnic has very good strength of highly qualified and experienced faculty. They all work hard in teaching and mainly focuses on basic concepts so that every student can grab the advanced knowledge quickly. Almost all faculties has the industrial experience. It means you are not just learn the theoretical concepts but also how to use it in industrial practices. The faculty here are not only used to teach the things which were in the syllabus but also encourage students to participate in various competitions, workshops, seminars, etc. so that students can gain additional knowledge too. If you take admission in KJ Somaiya Polytechnic, I am sure you will witness a wonderful learning experience with such a great faculty members.
Hello, I am Gauresh Keshikar, alumni of a KJ Somaiya Polytechnic. The Civil Engineering Department of a college provides the environment where individuals are promoted to actively participate in various technical events like poster presentation, paper presentation, quiz competition, and many similar activities organized by various colleges at a different levels. The expertise faculty of our department provides timely guidance and right direction to achieve better results in such competitions. Every year, students of Civil Engineering Department win several awards in various technical events. Participating in this competition will not only help you in improving your interpersonal skills but will also give you the confidence to take part in challenging competition. The boost which you get from department will definitely help you in your future.
In civil engineering, you not only learn everything related to curriculum, but also a lot of different things because of the co-curricular activities being held in the diploma college. In every semester, KJ Somaiya Polytechnic arranges a lot of site visits and seminars for the students. In my diploma time, because of my project, I got an opportunity to visit the Mumbai Metro Line 3 underground project, a visit to Bhandup Water Treatment Plant, and a 2-day surveying tour in Saguna Bagh as well. Because of Somaiya being such a large campus, students get a lot of opportunity to attend on-campus seminars and a lot of events related to sport. These co-curricular activities help to get a civil engineering student be more mature and competent with respect to other civil engineering students from other polytechnics as well.
Many top students of KJ Somaiya Polytechnic are working in top organizations in private as well as government sectors like MCGM, PWD and lot more. So visit this institute, take admission in KJ Somaiya Polytechnic. The department is waiting for you. All the best.